welcome to the madness of Istanbul downtown traffic. So I'm actually riding along downtown Istanbul right now, and when some people have warned me, it's like the traffic is actually fucking crazy. When I came here just 2 days ago, it was the same thing, and now I'm heading like actually right down through downtown, and it's just madness. We're heading to Ankara today, and we have to cross the Bosporus first to go to Asia, because we're still on the European side, and from there it's gonna be like 5 hours, 6 hours maybe to Ankara. Right now we made it about halfway to Ankara, and I just stopped at a gas station because I was trying to get the HGS sticker for the highway toll again, because you also have to pay the highway from Istanbul to Ankara, but I was able to pay by credit card actually this time, because there are some sections for which you have to have these HGS stickers, because they don't have anyone sitting there at the exit booth. And at this section, it's actually you can pay by credit card. But I'm not sure if you're gonna pay more if you pay by credit card, because I paid like 8 euros once, and then also again like 2 euros. So I paid like maybe 10 euros to Ankara, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna pay again. So that's quite expensive actually. And then I met a nice guy who I asked if where I can buy the HGS sticker, because they didn't speak any English, and I guess that's gonna be the case for the rest of Turkey from now on. So he told me that I could buy it in a post office in Ankara or any city, or I should just continue using the highway and pay when I can by credit card directly, or if there's like a section from the border to Istanbul where you can only pass with HGS, I can just drive in and out, and they will record my license plates. And then there is a website he actually showed me online where you can put in your license plate number, and then you can see which tolls you have to still pay, and then I should just pay by credit card online, he said. So I might do that as well if I don't find a HGS sticker in Ankara, because I think it's like a bit more convenient and maybe cheaper. We'll try it out. But I know that from south of Turkey, if you go further south in Turkey, there's gonna be no more highway tolls. So from Gaziantep and from Adana, there will not be any more highway fees, and also in the Antalya and Izmir region there should not be any fees. So when coming back through Turkey, we don't have to worry about this one. look like it's about to rain, which is quite weird because I didn't expect it to be raining in central Turkey in July. But well, I pretty much like it because it's gonna be at least a bit colder afterwards. Because the heat is just getting, I mean, not unbearable, but it's getting close to being unbearable because I don't have AC in this car. I mean, it doesn't have an AC, but it doesn't work. And I just have like my mini AC, portable AC I brought from home, but it just doesn't do much as well, so I always have to drive with the windows down. But it seems to be raining soon. So just inside the hotel now, and check it out. It's like, I mean, for 30 bucks. It would usually cost around 50, I guess, but because of my booking level, I'm level 3 at booking, I just paid 30 euros. You also have a great view for Castle up there. I mean, yeah, that's really great. I mean, compared to the last hotels, which were also like around the 30 euro mark, it's actually quite fancy. They even have a parking service, so you just put your car in front of the hotel somewhere on the street, and then there's a nice guy coming to you. You give them the key, and then he's gonna park the car for you, and it's inside, so you just like drove inside the building, and then there's like an elevator where they put your car like somewhere in the storage or something, which I find quite nice. Yeah, I really like it. Good evening from Ankara, the capital city of Turkey. Actually, it doesn't really feel like a capital at all because it's compared to Istanbul, it's like really small and really quiet. I mean, as you can see, there are not a lot of people around, even though it's in the evening already, and it's getting colder. So, but I really like it. It's like a much slower pace. It's also way less expensive than Istanbul. The prices are like half of Istanbul. But yeah, I'm like right now next to the mausoleum of some important Turkish guy. I'm not too well informed about this city. It seems to be closed, at least the main entrance is closed, so I'm walking around it to find some place to have at least a glimpse of it, because it looked really really big, really impressive on the photos I saw on Google. So I want to at least take a picture from outside. Yeah, well, there's not much to do here in Ankara actually, so I'm just staying for the evening, and then I'm gonna continue to Gaziantep tomorrow. But I still wanted to have a look at the capital of Turkey. So back at the hotel now. It's the end of day 6. Yeah, we just explored Ankara for a bit. Had something nice to eat. I just had a dinner, and I paid in Istanbul. I paid like maybe 360 for the meal, and like another 70 for a Coke. And here I paid actually 200 liras for both. So I guess it would have been like 150 for the meal and 50 for the Coke, which is like basically half of it. And was even a bit more tasty, I would say. Right now I'm just gonna enjoy some chai and have this view of the nice old castle from our hotel room. That's it for today. See you tomorrow when we'll be going to Gaziantep. And after this, it's gonna be really exciting because we will cross the border in 2 days to Iraq.